Hi, here's another one of my websites I wanted to share. This one's called Teach Your Monster to Read, and it's another one that's completely free, mainly used with like early learning, like pre-K even, through first grade. So some of the first graders I've used, still needed to use, worked with, some of the first graders I worked with, still have found these skills beneficial to work on these skills. So it's definitely for early learning though. You can set up a class and each kid has their own monster that they're going to do different games with. I liked here it showed kind of what the game will cover. So there's early learning that are just learning their letters and sounds. Then they know their letters and sounds. They can do this, and then this is more of putting those together. Most different letter sounds, reading short sentences. So this one's a little bit of the higher level one. And then this was just a demo of what the game looked like. So students got their own monster, and it's super engaging for little kids. Shows them different things that they need to do. Sorry, I didn't even hear what it said. But here's this cute little monster, and he just did. Oh. So it says a word that they want you to find, and you find it. I just made a word in a different activity. So I had just made a word with a different activity, and you had to put letters together. So that just shows a little bit about that. And it's super fun. Hope you guys enjoy Teach Your Monster to Read.